this technique, we're going to be in our southpaw stance, left leg behind, right leg forward, guard up. And what we're going to be doing first and foremost is coming forwards with a fake 45-degree kick. We want our opponent to think we're going for beach up. Instead, what we're going to do is bring that forward and land like so. As you can see, I'm not in the most ideal position because my back is now facing my opponent. However, that ties into my advantage because what we're going to do next is bring my right leg around and from here, catch the tornado. So again, feint, land like so. Again from here, give your opponent a false sense of security. Normally I wouldn't advocate landing like this. I'd normally advocate landing from here. So you can still forward facing your opponent. From here you can still lift up your leg, do a side kick if needs be. You can come with your hands if needs be. However, for this, it's ideal to land like so, because you're already halfway spun around for your tornado kick. So again, from here, nice and simple. Feint, 45-degree kick, land, bam, catch the tornado. Slow, once more, without any gas bagging. Fast. From the front, fast. And that, guys, is our fake 45-degree kick followed by a turning kick for Taekwondo. Give it a play, see how it works for you. Stay safe, train hard, keep listening to Creative Filth because they're the best playground, and I'll see you on the next video.